Molweni babukeli xhosa predictors. Namhlanje uhamba no Dr. Klaas alone. Sizawujonga igame esikhoyo namhlanje ku Premier Soccer League. TS Galaxy idlala neMaritzburg. TS Galaxy idlalela kokwayo. The quick prediction, ndingathi mna in my prediction kinika i-TS Galaxy i-win and a draw. Then uphinde the next game i-Golden Arrows idlala nesikhukhune. Then unike isikhukhune i-win and a draw kuteam South Africa. And then we move to Europe. I-Newcastle idlala ne-Man U. I-Newcastle idlala kokwayo, and then i-Newcastle is very strong team. Ubusafe uzinika both to win because mostly teams zase-Europe are drawy. Then udlule uye Spain. I-Real Madrid namhlanje idlala ne-Villarreal. For me, I would give in that game i-Real Madrid a straight win. Then udlule i-Italy ujonga i-AC Milan ne-Napoli. I-Napoli number 1 i-Italy. And then AC Milan siyayazi imbali yayo all these years Europe is doing well Italy. So for me ubusafe naphamna I would give i-Napoli ne-AC Milan. Zombini nayiphi kwezithu zingawina. Then sibuyele eSpain again. I-Atletico Madrid idlala ne-Real Betis. Phakla game I will say Atletico Madrid ndinika straight win. Then sibuyele France. I-Monaco idlala ne-Strasbourg. In that game is 50-50. You can give i-Monaco and a draw, I will say. Then PSG and Olympique Marseille. The problem, PSG is number 1. Olympique Marseille is number 1. We look at PSG, and PSG, you know, is a big team in Europe, in the stars. For me, games like that are easily draw. I will give both chances. It's either winner i-PSG okanye uthi yawina i-Olympique Marseille. Phayana ndiyakunika ukuthi these games you can win, and then 3 to 4 odds ungamfumana apha if you can bet today Sunday. Thank you very much.